How do you search an area to see how many facilities are in that area? All you have to do is go to the community care licensing website. Find licensed care, select adult residential facility or whatever type of facility you're trying to open. Put in your zip code and it'll tell you all the facilities that are in that area. Now this will be common sense for me personally, but you know what they say about common sense. I search an area, say I search Fontana, and there are 1,000 homes. Do I want to open a home in the city of Fontana? Probably not. I'm not saying it's impossible, and I'm not saying that you can't potentially get clients. I have helped clients that already had a property in a certain area, and I said, hey, that area, it has a lot of homes in it, and guess what? They were still able to fill their beds. You guys have to realize, as much as this is a service-based business, the key word is that you need to treat it as a business.